Alright, so we are back at it again tonight. Yesterday or last night we got this top on this table and got some things straightened up. So we are going to go ahead and install a 220 plug for the air compressor and the welder. So I'll set you guys up and watch me do that. So I guess that's one way to find out if it's hooked up correctly. I went inside to throw the breaker and forgot to check to see if the air compressor was on, and everything works great. So now we're going to work on getting everything plumbed in. We had these two air compressors plumbed together. The gray one, the motor was not hooked up. So this one built air in both tanks. So I'm going to go ahead and plumb it just for this air compressor because I have plans for the other one later on in kind of like a tool trailer, like an enclosed trailer, since it's 110 and this is 220. So yeah, we'll get everything hooked up and then we'll probably call it a night. Okay, I'll take you over and show you what I'm having trouble with. This fitting here on the side, it's just a real pain, man. Having to hit this with a hammer in order to get it to move, and I think I can get it to move under my own weight now, so we'll try it. This was the hose that went to the other air compressor. Yeah, I know, it looks like something. Use your imagination. Anyway, so we're going to take that out and put the regular fitting back in, so I'll set you up here and let you watch. Okay, so we got everything wired correctly there. It's working. We got this piece installed back on the side of the compressor. We need to cut out some pieces of rubber to put on the feet because as you can see, it almost touches the drain valve. In fact, that drain valve's been hit. So I would like to raise it up just a little bit, and then we need to find where is it, the regulator, and I can't remember where it went. We just moved all of this stuff, so my guess is as good as mine as to where the regulator went. It's got to be around here somewhere though. It was moved with all of this stuff. So yeah. Well, I will find it, and then we will resume. Found it. This piece, which hangs off, so the compressor's here, and then this whole assembly hangs off the side of the compressor. This could obviously be shorter, but it's late and I don't want to run to Rural King to get another piece, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. It'll get me going, and then later on down the road I will change this out. This is not heavy, so it's not like there's a ton of weight hanging off of this brass fitting right here, but we'll just change it later. We'll go and get everything hooked up. Alright, so I'm finally done for the evening. I got 220 plug wired in, the air compressor on rubber pads in where I want it, and all the stuff plumbed into the air compressor, so I now have air in the garage. I would say it's a pretty good night, and I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. This is a larger air hose, and the only reason I put it on is because I was like, oh, I gotta plug this because it'll leak air, and I forgot I had a shutoff valve right there. So I need to install a swivel fitting on that because it does not have one right now. But we will get that fixed soon. Excuse me. So, holds good air pressure. So, gonna go ahead and call it a night, guys. If you like the video, just remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more.